Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 9 Quadrilateral chapter, Properties and Theorems. In this I have explained till the 6th theorems of this properties based on the property of a parallelogram. Now you will see that if the diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Previous theorem I have proved the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now you are saying the converse of it. Diagonals of theorem number 7. Diagonals of a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is quadrilateral. AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect each other, it is given. Here quadrilateral is given and diagonals bisecting each other. Then you want to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. You want to prove ABCD is a parallelogram. For this proof, you will see the properties what is given. Properties what is given. According to this, you draw the quadrilateral. But because you want to prove it is a parallelogram, we will draw a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD, you will draw a parallelogram. But you write it is a quadrilateral. What will write? We write it is a quadrilateral in which the diagonals BD and AC intersect where AO is equal to CO, BO is equal to DO. It is given. AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. It is given in the quadrilateral. Proof. ABCD to prove, then proof any two triangle you take this and this. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? This angle. Why? Because of vertically opposite angle. Because of vertically opposite angle, you know it is a equal. AO is equal to OC, BO is equal to DO. Given. What is given? Here given bisector. When they are bisect each other, it means the half of point this is equal to this is equal to this. So by SAS, side angle side congruency, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. AOB congruent to COD. So angle, what will you get? Angle OBAO is equal to angle DCO. DCO by CPCT. Which angle? This angle and this angle. No, this I am taking. This angle and this angles are equal. Why? Because of the CPCT. Similarly, you can prove or this angle is equal to this angle. Any one you will take. This are D and B. Both are, but these are pair of alternate interior angles. So, if the alternate interior angles are equal, then lines will be parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Similarly means same side type what you have done from here to here. In this line to this line. Same process you have done for these two. BOC is incongruent to DOA and then angle side BC is parallel to AD. You can prove it. If one pair of alternate interior, any pair of alternate interior angles are equal, then lines are. So quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Reason, both pair of opposite sides are equal. Parallel, both pair of opposite sides are parallel, hence proved. You are getting the theorems based on parallelogram as well as quadrilateral. The properties, due to this property you can write it is a parallelogram, and due to the property of parallelogram you can write the diagonals bisect in the parallelogram. Now we'll see the example number 1. 7 theorems you have finished. Now example 1, show that the each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Examples of this. So theorems and examples. What will be the heading of this chapter? Here will be right theorems and examples. Example number 1. Nothing is given. What is given? You want to prove the each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. What is given? ABCD is rectangle. To prove angle A is equal to angle B is equal angle A equal to 90. It is a rectangle such that angle A 90 given. A equal to B equal to C is equal to D. Is equal to 90 degree. All are equal to 90 degree. Parallel rectangle is possible only when the parallelogram one angle is 90. I have told you the property. In a parallelogram one angle 90, then it is a rectangle. First of all you draw the figure. Figure is given this. Here is the A, it is 90 given. B, C, D. Proof. No construction. In a rectangle ABCD, angle A is equal to 90 given. Given because our parallelogram is rectangle, it means at least one angle must be 90 by the property. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Why? Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle of parallelogram. Angles of parallelogram, or you can say that co-interior angle. You can write 90 plus angle B. So angle B will be also 90. Angle A is equal to angle C is equal because of opposite angle of parallelogram. So angle C is also 90. Angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree as above opposite angle of a parallelogram. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Hence proved. Each angle of a parallelogram rectangle is a 90 degree. Example number 2 is given. So that the diagonal of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. So that the diagonal of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Example 2. Very carefully you see. Diagonal of a rhombus. Rhombus property you know. It is used as a theorem also. It is used as a theorem also. Show that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular to each other. Diagonals of a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. To prove AC perpendicular to BD. Diagonals of a perpendicular are perpendicular to each other. RBD is perpendicular to AC. Or rhombus you will draw. Rhombus means all the sides are equal and diagonals are bisect each other. ABCD is a rhombus. We will draw ABCD the numbers. This is equal to this given. You want to prove, very simply you take, it is a point O. You will take the two triangles congruent, any two. The side, these two triangles I am taking. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. AOB and COD. AB is equal to BC by sides of rhombus are equal. Sides of rhombus are equal. This is equal to this. AO is equal to OC. Diagonals bisect. We know diagonals bisect each other. Property of a parallelogram. So AO is equal to CO. These three. OB is equal to OB. Why? Common. OB is equal to OB, common. Therefore, by triple S congruency, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. AOB congruent to triangle COD. AOB and COB, not D. Here I have written D. It is AOB and COB. AOB and COB I am taking, not D. So clear? If it is a congruent, then what about these two triangle angles? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? By CPCT. But angle 1 is plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree by a linear pair. It is a straight line, 1 plus 2, 180. Or you can write angle 1 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 because we have proved. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, proved. Proved above. 1 and 2 are equal by CPCT. So twice of angle 1 is equal to 180, then what is angle 1? 90 degree. If angle 1 is 90 degree, then BO perpendicular to AC. Or you can write BD perpendicular to it is BO. BD perpendicular to AC, hence proved. Diagonals of a rhombus perpendicular to each other. That bisect perpendicular to each other. That's why you can say it is a perpendicular bisector of the each other. Diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular to each other. That's all for today.